Bow.
5,500 boss niggas getting money. 5,500 boss niggas getting money.
What's up, Good Money team? Hold on. It's like, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Join the Get Money team. Hit the subscribe button below. Make sure you leave a like on the video and join the Discord. The link is in the bio. All right, today is a basics video. I know I had basics video on here before, but I'm just like redoing everything that I already did and just making it better. Yeah, so today we going back over candlesticks and just like the chart, so we know what we even looking at. I got my chart right here, but hold on. Going from left to right on a chart like this is gonna be all right. So going from left to right, that's time, top to bottom. This is the price of whatever you're trading, right? Now if we come back here to look at our chart, we see, okay, so we see the times on this right here. You know, got 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, you know, all of that, right? And if I'm here, this is gonna be the price of whatever we're trading right here, right? Boom. We know what that means already right there, right? So now these right here is what you call candlesticks. These represent whatever time frame you're on, right? So right now, if you look right here, am I in front of this? Hold on, let me check. I had to move myself to the side. But if we look right here, this is going to be the time frame, right? So what that means is each candle is going to represent the time frame. So like right now it's on 5 minutes. Each candle represents 5 minutes. If I change it to 15, you see it's the same thing, but it's just less candles because I changed it to 15 minutes. So instead of each candle representing 5 minutes, it represents 15 minutes. The same thing with an hour. You're still going to see it go like, you know, like this, but now it's even less candles in that little area because now each candle represents 1 whole hour of time.
Okay, cool. We know the candles represent a time frame, but why some of them is bigger than the other ones?
That's a good question. Let's get back into my chart. Okay, before we get into any of that though, we need to learn some trading vocab, right? The first 2 words you need to learn for today's lesson is bull and bear, right? So what bull mean? All bull means is the price is going up. So if we see a candle going up like this is a bullish candle. You see the green? If we see a green candle, that's a bullish candle. And if we see a hell of candles going up like this, that means it's a bullish trend, right? A whole bunch of bullish candles make a bullish trend. That's what trend we're looking at. A trend, pretty sure y'all already know what trend means, but trend just means like a series happening over and over again, right? Now bear, if bull means that the price is going up, price is increasing, then bear just means the opposite of that. The price is not increasing, the price is coming down, right? So if we look at a bearish candle, it's not gonna be green, it's gonna be red, right? That's a bearish candle. You can see a whole bunch of candles going down like this. Kind of trend is that? You already know. Don't act like you don't know. Yeah, it's a bearish trend. Now y'all see these green and these red candles. You know that's a bullish candle. That's a bearish candle. Cool, we know that already. All right, we're gonna use this bullish candle right here. Right, we got it on an hour time frame. So this is the first hour. That first hour ended right here, so that this one can start. Right. That makes the bottom of this candle open. That's where this candle opened at. Right. Bottom of this candle is open. This little skinny part right here on the bottom and on the top, that's called the wick of the candle. And then the actual green box part, that's the body of the candle, right? All the wick means is the price got here. So the price got down here, but it didn't stay there. Like it didn't last the whole candle, if that makes sense. That means within this hour, price got down here. And it also went all the way up here too at the end of this wick. But when it closed at the end of that hour, it was right here. This is where the price closed. This is where the price closed at, right up here. If we look at this little bearish candle right here next to it, this is where this closed. And this is red, so that means it's going down. So if this is where this closed, that means that this top part is where this one opened at. And it did the same thing. It came up here because we see the wicks there. It came up here. The price went up a little bit. And it dropped crazy like this right here. But then it closed right up here. And so another thing about, you know, what I was saying with the trend before, a trend is just an overall direction. From this candle to this candle right here. This is what's this? This is a few hours. But in this little trend, in this few hour trend, okay, the price is going up. It might have came down here, but it's still going up. It ended up here. It's closing above, right? We got one little bearish candle, but then it shot right back up and it kept going up. So this overall, if we're looking at, the overall shape of it, it's still a bullish trend. We started off down here and we still ended up all the way up here. That's still a bullish trend, even though there is a few bearish candles in it. A good example in the opposite direction. We start up here. We got a little bearish candle. We got a big bearish candle right here. Boom, keep going. All right, we got some green right here, so the price move up a little bit, but it still keep on going down. If we look at it overall within these little few hour time span, this is still a bearish trend, regardless of these green candles being here, right? So that's it for the video for today, man. We got the basics of understanding the very basics of what you need to know to even know what you're looking at on the chart. Is what you're trying to read on the chart, which is time this way and price this way. And what these candles is, it just represents, hey, within this hour, the price it went a whole bunch of places. It went here and it went here, but overall it opened up here and the price dropped down here and it closed right there. That's all the candles is there to do, is help you see where the price went within that time, right? So we get more into what that even means for you and what you're supposed to do with that in later videos. But as for today, that's all we need to know. I hope you took your notes on that, right? So I got for y'all this video. I hope y'all took notes if you for real about this. Tomorrow I'm gonna be getting into price action and what actually makes the price go up and down on them candles and all of that. But at least you know what you're looking at. You're looking at, okay, each one of these little things I'm looking at represents where the price went. Cool. That's all we needed to know today. That's all we needed to get through today. So I appreciate y'all for watching this video, man. If your brain appreciates you too for picking up new information. If you aren't already in the Discord, join below. There you can message me directly with questions and all that other type of stuff, and I'll get back to you. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and send this video to someone you think could use this information. Appreciate y'all again for watching. Let's get money.